Well, I'm very happy to be here with Antonio, General Manager of Bossard Spain. Hello.
Yes, hello.
Nice to see you today again.
Thank you.
Antonio, something brought me here, and this is proven productivity, sustainability. Your company bases on this. Can you explain the cycle to us?
Our company bases on this, on proven productivity. So what is proven productivity? We want to increase the competitiveness of our customers. And in order to do so, we go with 3 different types of services that provide innovative technology to our customers, that provide high quality and reliability in the suppliers, that reduce their time to market, the time between they think on a product and this one goes to the market. We can reduce that time so customers gain a competitive advantage that in these days with such a globality is very important.
Yeah, that's the main
right?
goal.
And we make like better, leaner processes. We also allow them to get a better throughput. But how?
Yeah,
how
exactly.
we do it? How?
It's difficult.
This is very difficult. It's not so easy, no?
Yeah.
So this would be like our goal, and we do it with our 3 services, our 3 main services, which are product solutions. We have any type of product a customer may need regarding assembly technology, any type. So we have more than 190 years of experience, and we are top 3 in the world, right?
Yeah.
So like a one-shop supplier we could be for all the customers regarding these assembly technologies. Another service we provide is assembly technology expert, which is our engineering service. We have 6 different types of services that we go since training companies, training the R&D departments, training employees on the assembly line. We also have 16 labs around the world. We can test any type of
So you
element
into research and development.
Exactly. We can help customers in their design, in the optimization of the articles they are using, and even we can help them to tear down one of the products they have. We can analyze how they are doing it, and we can provide them solutions. So these all services are involved in the assembly technology expert. And another of the 3 of the service we offer to the market are our smart factory logistics solutions. These are industry 4.0 solutions that digitalize and automatize all the supply chain required to manage the C parts of our customer. To all this, we call it proven productivity, because we have more than 190 years of experience and thousands of success stories. Besides, we are also very focused on the sustainability. Like they say, we have only one planet, there's no planet B. And with our solutions in product, our solutions in engineering, and our solutions in smart factory logistics, we can help customers reduce their logistics, therefore the CO2 footprint. We help them reduce their waste, optimize the design of their products, improve the working environment, and of course, be much more efficient in the use of their resources.
All right, so you cover everything, from technology, intelligent solutions, to environmental problems.
We cover everything regarding what we call them here C parts, or this type of products that are a little bit screws, fixations, all regarding to assembly.
You mentioned that Bossard is almost 200 years old.
Yes.
I know you will be in 2031. What is Bossard 200? I know there's a program like that.
Yes,
an idea.
There is an idea behind, and there is an aspiration of the company. And the aspiration is that we want to bring proven productivity, and we want to bring proven sustainability to every assembly operation in the world. So this is an ambitious goal.
Ambitious one, yeah.
Very ambitious, right? But well, it's the goal. We are all engaged. We are all working together in order to create a company that,
and with all your
in
resources,
10 years,
I think you can do that.
at least they are different in the market. We differentiate from competitors. We go to solutions very focused on the customer and trying to help them in areas that they are mostly blind. And I can explain you by going to the iceberg. The iceberg is kind of familiar. When we talk about this type of elements with the screws or assembly elements, we call this is a family that we call them like the C parts.
Okay.
C parts are very complex to manage because there are many parts, there are many suppliers, they are very difficult to control the stock.
Yeah.
And if one part misses, the company doesn't produce.
Yeah, stops. The production stops. Yeah.
So it's very complex. What's happening? So many companies are focusing today only on the cost of these parts. And they forget that the total cost of ownership of these parts is hidden.
Yeah.
And this has to do with the logistic, this has to do with the stock, this has to do with the optimization, this has to do with the quality, with the assembly, with the pre-assembly. We try to bring, the hidden potentials of the C-part management, we try to bring them to the top. In order to do so, we have a strategy. We say, hey, we take care of everything. Just forget, and we will manage all the needs that you might have with a digital solution. Our smart logistics systems, we have different bins with different sizes, able to manage small elements, but in low quantities or in very big quantities. So that's why we have different sizes. Besides the size, we have a common way of working. So these bins have a scale and a connectivity. What the scale does is monitor permanently the stock on the bin. Somehow, every time there is a movement, the stock is
reading it,
and sending this information to the ERP of the customer, where we somehow allow customers to have always the correct information based on what is happening in the production plant.
So they will never be surprised.
Exactly, because this is digital. This information somehow is there for the customer. So all the work is invisible for them, but on the other side, they have all the information in order to dedicate time to look on what is happening based on real information, and not on just
on imagination.
Yes, on imagination or on theories that with this type of articles are very difficult to materialize. No?
Absolutely, and I can imagine the production line where we've got thousands of those.
Exactly.
One.
So yes, every time the stock goes under a certain limit, this sends an order directly to us. We consolidate the different orders, we make deliveries according to the needs of the customer. Maybe it's daily, maybe it's once a week, maybe it's one every 15 days. And that's how we achieve a complete, visible, or I would say invisible work for the customers. They don't have to care longer to make small orders. We save them time. They can really focus on other type of products that they might have a big impact in their financial results, because finally all these type of products, I have to say that their overall cost is relatively small for a company. We're talking about 2-3% of the overall cost of production is screws, but the time they have to dedicate in order to manage all this is extremely high. So we say, hey, forget.
And still irreplaceable, because if this is missing, they cannot go on.
Exactly what I told before. If one screw is missing, they cannot produce. And to stop a company, a production or a factory, because an element of 0.2 euros is missing, it's very, very painful. I would say,
for the company.
So
here we are on fairs with Industry 4.0. What is your personal opinion about the future? And about how is it going to be developed? Because some people are afraid of it. Some people say, no, everything is going to substitute us.
Well, we have to adapt. I mean, I'm always very digital, very innovative, my personal opinion. And that's why I feel so good in this company, that we don't offer only product, we offer those solutions. I think there is no way out.
Exactly.
In fact, Industry 4.0, I think we are also already looking to the past. We are talking now about Industry 5.0, Industry X, now all the solutions of AI, that they are just starting, and you can see just a future that, are they going to replace? Well, we have to be real. They are going to replace some work, some manual work that don't give value to anybody. On the other hand, they are going to make us much more effective. So I think that those people that don't believe in Industry 4.0, 5.0, in AI, in digitalization, those people and those companies that think that doing the same thing as they did in the past, they are going to be successful in the future, they have a big problem.
Yeah, no progress means regress.
Exactly. Only those companies that are willing to innovate, they will find new paths that will take them to new places that they have never been before. Exactly.
Okay, Antonio, it's been very nice talking to you. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Have a good day, and I hope to see you next time with 5.0.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.